All right, let's get started. Oh, what's going on, everyone? I might hop in the Discord too, so like people can talk from the Discord. So if you're inside, I also will probably be reopening some of the spots. I've had a lot of people try to sub, so don't try to sub for $5 or whatever on Patreon. I'm just refunding that money. I kind of got upset at first, but like I guess like it's a simple mistake. I'll probably open a few spots right now. Edit page. But the next spots I'm gonna open are gonna be more expensive because it's getting to the point where it's getting just like I don't want it to get like super crowded or anything like that, but advanced will limit to 250, I guess. So I might close it. I set it to there's 50 more spots left, but I'll probably end up closing that on the weekend for Patreon. So I'm just doing that right now. I might need to refund someone their thing really quick, but I've already refunded if you did pay for the 5. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, let's get into AMC. Start talking about some stuff. Hope everyone's doing well. Tylerman pins, you're crazy. What do you think about BlackBerry options? Not interested. Finally, the live video we all needed. Welcome. I appreciate everyone. Welcome. Sorry I haven't made any videos. I've been like extremely just like anytime I have, I've just been spinning in Discord. Like, you know, I think that's why people join the Discord to hopefully get more interaction with me. So that's where most of my time's been. I want to point out a few things. Volume's pretty good. Obviously, middle of the day, sitting at 230. We could see a push to 450. I think 450 would be pushing it to end the day of volume. Could happen though with the after hours and stuff like that. One thing I want to point out though is the implied volatility. This did update on Market Chameleon. It's going to update again most likely into the day, I would anticipate. Huge spike. We're kind of capping off right here, this range. It's kind of hard to, you can't really draw anything on here, so I don't like that. Well above the MA. You're moving strong. You know, this is moving very well. But it's also showing that we're not even close to where we were before. You know what I mean? Not even close. Just halfway there on the IV. Maybe halfway. Yeah. So we still have more room. Broke above 19. That was really big. Holding VWAP very well. Flagging back to the upside. It's 20 to... I thought 17 would give more of a fight. It fought there in the after hours for a little bit. Then we pushed straight through it. I mean, crazy to see it. You love it. GameStop looks really good as well. Obviously, that's not my focus. But ultimately, you want to see them both go up because they're going to perform well together. You still giving away those AMC gifty cardies? Yesy. I will. Man, holy crap, my freaking lips. I think I told people in the Discord if we hit $100, I need to set a time limit on the $100. But if we hit $100 on AMC, I'll probably pay for someone's. I'll go to UH and I'll pay for someone's semester tuition probably. But I want to find someone that needs it. You know what I mean? Like that's what I want to do. But that's what I want to do. I'll find someone at UH that goes to Bauer and I'll pay for their tuition for a semester. Probably like $5,000-6,000. Show the belt, dude. Hit the belt right there. When we start pumping, we'll pull the belt down. We'll pull the shades back on. Okay, we'll lock in. And you're cutting your feet off at 500K. Yeah. So cut it. So 25. I think we do gift cards. $100. We pay a semester tuition. 500K. We chop my feet off. You like GPS right now? I would be out of it. I liked Gap yesterday. Had a huge push. I'd be out of it. You're above monthly though. Tyler the philanthropist. No, I just like giving back, man. I guess that's what philanthropy is. But what's the point? Like, I mean, fuck. What am I gonna do with all them? Like, what am I gonna do with, like? I mean, I make good money already. I already spend it on stupid stuff. You know. Todd does have a good heart. No, I have no good heart. There's no heart in there. It's just gray. To the moon. To the moon. But yeah, I mean, like, honestly, the gift cards is kind of nothing because, like, I mean, we played like in the Discord between talking stocks and playing roulette and like, dude, it's just like money out of the butt, like always doing something. Any good questions? Any good questions? Some poor Eastern European can use those feet. You'll replace them with cyborg feet from East Indies. Wild found Jeezys. Me and Jesus were like this, baby, we're like this. Trading options, I signed up on Webull and said I didn't have enough experience. Probably because what you said, Intelligence Discord is the best. No cappy cap. No cap, no cap. How's the OBV? The OBV is ridiculous. You know what I mean? It's been setting up like this for days. It's been just setting up beautifully. Like, you know, like looking at it, like you got the clean break, the clean double toppy, tippity top, break. You know, break right through, just straight up parabolic. You're finally getting that movement. I told you guys, when you're starting to get that movement, it's going to be parabolic. And you're finally getting it. We're finally getting that movement. And this isn't a squeeze. I think like people are like, you know, they're trying to reiterate that. Curious to see how we react to that $20 range. So far, it's been just a slow grind, guys. It's been crazy to look at what's going on. It's like we had that yesterday, right? Just that slow grind to the downside, you know, and then boom, it just took off, man. Like just crazy. Just yesterday popped up to like 15, slow grind down, and boom, just went berserk at the end of the day. So I mean, anything can happen here. It looks really strong. GME is getting momentum. And the big thing with AMC that I'm not seeing is I'm not seeing selling. That's what I'm not seeing here. I'm not seeing anyone selling. Like, okay, so I'll point it on the Discord. We were talking about it, right? They were saying, how can you tell the difference between short selling and people selling the stock? Now, also, I appreciate if you hit the like button. It helps out. I do appreciate it. I try to do as much. I try to have no ads in the videos. I try to do all that. I try to no ads, no content like that. I try to just have it just completely free as possible. So I do appreciate likes. It does help out. What are you looking for to tell if it's a possible fake squeeze versus real shares on loan? So shares are only going to tell you a lot. Yes, those are going to tell you a lot. That's what okay, so I'm going to get to it. Relax. Okay. So let's talk. What am I looking for here? So let's talk about what happened previously, and then we'll go up to here. So like that's how we do it. When you read a book, you start from left, you go to right. When we read a chart, it's similar, I guess. So what you're seeing, okay. Oh, crap. This is pretty much where it starts. The trade interview over here, okay? We start bumping up, and then we hit a wall, okay? We hit that $12 wall. We sold straight off, came down. Then this is where things really got interesting. Right here, Adam Marin started selling at 10.5, it looked like. Every time 10.5 hit, we just sold. That's when he sold the rest of his shares. He sold his first batch here at 17 mil. I think it was like 26 million right here. Or maybe it was 16, 27. It was one of them. Okay, right there. Those were Adam Marin selling. And then we had the same exact movement right here. You remember, I mentioned, if we go back to the other live videos, we go to the videos I posted on YouTube, I mentioned this right here was identical to this right here. The same movement, the same push up, and you got rejected down. And then when we found out Wanda sold, I was mentioning here as well, it's like there's a high possibility Wanda's selling. But you know, I can't say for sure. It's just like it's a gut feeling. Wanda sold, right? 30 million shares. And then we've had a flat lining here. The fact that we only dropped $2 from Wanda selling was like, wow, this is interesting. It's showing the only people that are selling are these institutions, correct? And so then we started, you know, obviously we bumped back up, started going back up. Now, what's the difference here and here? Just looking. Every time you start seeing these resistances where we're getting held and we're getting checked and you can't really break through the wall, now you're having corrections here, like minor little flags to the downside, which aren't really anything. But if you look, what's the difference here? There's a huge level of resistance and you're hitting walls. That's where people are selling off. Right now, I don't see any of that. We're just going, I mean, we went through $17 like it was mama's butter that she's put on my toast when I was about to eat breakfast. I mean, just slicing through it like a butter knife, baby. Right through the butter. I mean, beautiful. I mean, you flew right through where I thought one of the biggest resistances would be, okay? And you went straight through it to 19, about to probably hit 20 today. We'll see what happens. $20, I don't see it not being a resistance. That'd be insane to see it's not being one. However, you never know. We could just keep going through. It doesn't like BlackRock is selling. It doesn't like Vanguard is selling. It doesn't like anyone selling. I mean, on YouTube, we look at what's going on. Poor Belmont. What a guy. We're gonna get to him in a second. On YouTube, I think 500K AMC is trending, right? Where's it at? Maybe it's not trending anymore. My computer trends different things than other. Anyways, it was trending on my phone. I just saw it. I just got a line of Starbucks. So that is trending. So people like they're not wanting to sell. You know what I mean? This is just like my theory on how the market's moving, right? On top of that, you have the Nasdaq. I mean, the Nasdaq's smacking. Yesterday was a terrible close, but I mean, it ended great. I mean, it perked back up. Nasdaq wants to rip back to the upside. The monthly level's there. That's where the magnet is, in my opinion. Markets look good. AMC looks good. There's no sell walls. I'm just like looking. I'm like, I'm trying to find a reason to not like it right now, you know, because I want to be the pessimist right now. Available shares are depleting. No one's getting rid of. There's no more shares available. The fees going back up. I mean, guys, this is like the IVs is on a trend as well. The last time we saw this type of trend where we hit the EMA and bounce, or the MA bounce, was back here when we started getting our major run, right? We bounced, and then boom, we shot up. I mean, it looks extremely good. Now, if you're not in options, I know people are going to say, Tyler, where do I get in options? Well, how do I look to get into options? What do I look for to get into options? We'll get to that here in a second. But yeah. How do you think it might go realistically? If it gets past 20, it's hard to say. This is no covering. There's no covering going on yet. You know what I mean? So anyone giving like a price target of, you know, $130 or $70, you can't really give one because there's no like limit, because they're just going to start covering. And the thing is I don't see retail traders selling. Now also too, there's a whole bunch of bots all over Twitter this morning saying sell by Friday because it's gonna end on Friday. Not true. This isn't even squeeze yet. This isn't a squeeze. We've seen what happens when it squeezes. Okay, we've seen what happens. I mean, we can look at some of the positions as well. One sec. Let me pull my phone up onto the screen real quick. So I'll pull up Webull so you can see something. Rogan just texted me. I'm at lunch. I'm stroking my chart. I think I know what that's code for, but talk about that later. What am I going to? Crap. Where am I going? I need to find. I don't really like the layout of Webull that much. One sec. Go to options. Okay, so right now on this week, ending this week, on the open it, I mean, we can pull it up. Let me share my screen. My phone always so slow to connect to my computer. So this is Webull, so bear with me. I'm trying to pull this up so you can see. So what I'm looking at, and this is for the gamma side of it. You don't know, I mean, I think people understand the gamma by now. You've been listening to all these YouTubers, so you probably understand. Now, I can't zoom in anymore here, but what you're looking for is going to be, the open interest, the number right in the middle. I'm trying to I don't know how, I can't zoom into it. So right where that 2D is, you see where that 2D at the top middle is? Right at the top middle up here, okay? That 2D and open interest, that number's underneath it. There's 15,000 at 16, basically 16,000. Almost 12,000 at 17, $18. Another 9,000. 19's not that big. $20 is a big one. 16, almost 17,000. 21 is 12,000. I think at $25, there's another 15,000 we were mentioning in Discord earlier. So these numbers, they haven't started covering yet either. They haven't been affected. It hasn't been priced in either. So we're going to start seeing that start to play a role as well. And man, like there's a lot of stuff is lining up here. A lot of stuff is lining up right now, and it looks really good. It looks really good. Yeah, and the fact, and so that's another thing too. People are saying it's consolidation. It's this, it's that. Guys, you're trending at these highs. You're riding VWAP all the way up. You're trending at highs. Like it's phenomenal. I don't know what else you could want right now. It's like, you know, just watching a chart, like kick your feet up, enjoy a Corona or something. I don't know. 35K at yeah, 35,000 at $28, and like I don't know if we hit $28 this week. That'd be insane. If we did, things would get really crazy. But like if those numbers start hitting and those start getting in the money, like a lot of positions have to start covering, and that's when it gets crazy. Okay, that's when things start getting crazy. Man, my coffee's too hot. I can't drink it. Damn it, that's tough. Any other stuff? That was not June 2nd, I don't think. That was May 28th. No. I smell lemon pepper dindies. I mean, a lot of people have made a lot of money already, though. You know what I mean? Like, so I mean, a lot of people have been taking. They took their initial investment out already. And I think that might be what some people are doing right now. It's a smart thing to do. Take your initial out. Let the rest ride. Do what you want to do with it. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You make life-changing money. Do what you want with it. You know what I mean? Like, dude, more power to you. Got some people in the Discord. I'm excited for whenever we squeeze, have the huge movement. People are gonna have a lot of money to invest. Like, you're gonna have a lot of money. Everyone in the Discord, everyone in the live stream, you're gonna have a lot of money to start investing. It's gonna come to the point where you have to really start thinking like, what I want to do with my money. And so I'm super excited for people in the Discord to be able to get into more trades and stuff like that. It's gonna be really exciting. But, like, if you don't want to invest again, do what you want with it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, go spoil. I mean, who knows? I mean, some people aren't super young. Do whatever you want with your money. But more power to everyone. 20K today. Welcome to the club, baby. Bro, at this point, just change your name to Dindy Man Investing. You're too hot, Tyler. Medical science. No, you're too hot. Oh my God. What it do, big man? We're going to the immune. We're going to the immune. The immune. Will volatility go down on options? Want to buy more? It could. Volatility has gone down a little bit. Like the $40 call options were like at 150 this morning. And we've just stagnated right now. So they've kind of like, it's died down a little bit. So we need to start pumping. And once you start pumping back up, it'll probably go back up. So yeah. Godpill probably is crying. Yes. We break in 20. It's possible. We need to wait and see. Yesterday we got that movement like right after lunch, I believe. Right? Yeah. What time is it? 16:25. No, yesterday we got that movement like at 1, 2 o'clock. Remember? That's when we get that movement. It was right like at 2. Yeah, like 1 o'clock. Yep. We started breaking back up at 1. Yeah, like 1 on the dot almost. Yep. What's going on, Bruce Wayne? Did you buy back in? Yes, I did. I couldn't. So when I bought back in, though, I couldn't post on the Discord where I bought in. That's why I told everyone to get into the live stream this morning. So that's why I woke up on time and got into the live stream immediately, because the IV was so low at open. Like the IV was still very low. So like the $40 call options were like 80 cents a pop. They were really cheap. And then like literally within 4 minutes, they popped all the way up to 140. So it's like I couldn't have. There's no way. Like, it would have been totally untransparent. So I couldn't post that. Look at X go. What is X doing? Is X flying? Oh geez, yeah, X is good, dude. I don't want to talk about X. I think it hurts my soul to look at. There was no text or anything. I couldn't text literally fast enough to do it. There's no possible way I could have. It was like an instant, like you got to dump the morning and then you got in. That's like literally what happened. It feels illegal. Walter, welcome. Good, congratulations. I'm happy. I'm happy for everyone. What's the plan for options? Maybe wait till $20 breakout. No, so like I said, you're getting a little bit of cooldown. The real question too, as I was mentioning to people in Discord, is we start. Oh crap! I got no sleep last night. Zero hours of sleep. So going into tomorrow, this is when we're going into next week, especially. If we hold above $20, it's gonna be crazy. That is like just bonkers to think about. If we hold above $20 going into the Friday, that'd be huge, phenomenal, crazy. Would be madness. Would be amazing for anyone in an AMC position. 2, I would assume at $20 they start making new options available. Some deeper, like you can go further out for $40, like they did with GameStop. GameStop, they didn't have $500, $400 call options for a very long time. You know what I mean? So, or $800, whatever you had got into. So that's gonna be another variable, and that's when you're gonna see like real degeneracy like start to kick in, and that's when you're gonna see like, man, like this thing starts really flying, and I'm telling you, it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get wild. AMC is the only one where my bulldog game won't be strong. A typical question: how tall? How do you weigh? I am about like 5. I'm like a hair below 6 foot. And then I'm like 201 pounds. I only know because I weigh myself often at the gym. But yeah. Citadel just liquidated all of their assets. Dun 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 dun. Fake news. Welcome, Tony. I read the question. I just figured you typed it like a special person. Yeah, 6 feet with heels, and 200 pounds soaking wet. CTV user experience 30 minutes. CTV probably dumps. I would see it dumping, to be honest. But I'm not. I honestly, I can't focus on anything else like right now. I literally can't focus on anything. How often? 6 to 5 days a week. Usually 6. Hope everyone's doing well. If you have any questions regarding it, I'll try to answer. You don't have to pay to ask a question or anything like that. I just try to answer them as quickly as possible. Also, too, guys, I think we're at, man, what are we at? Let me look. I'm pretty sure we're at like 19.9. 100 more subs and we're at 20K. We're at 19.83. So 120 subs. I'll have a video probably today too, so we'll probably hit 20K subs tonight. I got a lifetime. Would you buy $100 call options? Nah, probably not. Maybe like a few, like some lottos to see what happens, but probably not. I'm trying to answer. I heard if the hedge funds go bankrupt, AMC goes to $1 billion a share. Probably not. No. I wouldn't probably play a bounce now. I wouldn't play a bounce on AMC. Probably not now. Probably take my money and Rubet live stream for 20K. Maybe I want to do a live stream. I don't know. Thought you guys would really want to see AMC, not see too much Rubet today. Silverback Nut Guardians reporting for duty. 25 options for Friday. That's pretty insane. I wouldn't get those. You exercise. Go look at In the Money. He explains it in depth perfectly. I'm not holding any options. I'm not doing that. It's not smart. I would just close them out. I think XRP is a good crypto. I think they're gonna do well long term. AMC looks so strong. One sec. Dun 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 dun. Dun. They don't really update anything throughout the day. I don't think that's the only thing I don't like about Ortex. If they update throughout the day, I'd be really excited. Oh wow, I didn't see that. The 700. That changed, didn't it? Yeah, from just guys in Discord. That wasn't there earlier. That 713. If anyone's on Ortex, y'all know that. Did that change? That had to have recently updated, right? That had to have. Those are live updates, yeah. Because I was like at 69K. I was like at 60K this morning. I thought. They probably tweeted it. Yeah, they just tweeted it. Yeah, they just tweeted it. Excuse me. See, yeah, this morning was like at 30. I remember it was like 60K. Yeah, it definitely went up. They returned a decent little chunk, but nothing too crazy. They borrowed a little bit. I'm just trying to compare these numbers really quick. I wish I could bring them side by side. That'd be nice. Citadel CEO sold all of his stock. I didn't see that. No, I didn't see that. I think that's a lie. Citadel owns 12 million shares of Palantir. Let's go. Yeah, I think that's his FUD. FUD. Yeah, they didn't do anything. That's FUD. Just trolling. How's the volume? 250. Yeah, I think we'll probably hit, man. It'll count after hours volume. I would say we hit, man, around 400, 430. 430 probably mil volume. Unless we just start spiking near the end of the day, which we could. We theoretically could just start spiking at the end of the day. But I don't know. I feel like we're going to get a lot of movement. When it starts to squeeze, I believe it's going to happen in the pre or after hours. They are borrowing more. It's getting updated. You can see it. So, Vortex is doing a decent job updating it. So borrowed this morning. They posted 3 hours ago. They borrowed 480 shares, returned 30K shares, and then they just updated it to they returned 713K shares, and they borrowed 101.7 mil shares. So that should show you, yes, that number is changing and being updated pretty regularly. GameStop's getting a good chunk of volume now, I'll tell you that. I truly believe AMZN would have hit 100. I think it's 100% possible. It's looking more and more likely. The only question here is do Vanguard and do BlackRock decide to start unloading quickly, because that would stagnate obviously the whole situation. People have to buy those up. So yeah, the gammas. I don't know if it would happen on Thursday or Friday. It would probably happen later than that, but yeah, the close on Thursday and on Friday is gonna be huge. It's gonna be major. What if they already are unloading? If they were unloading shares, that number would be different. So that's what you have to look at. You have to keep watching this shares returned right there, right? So to refresh. I wonder how often they refresh that. It says live, but I wonder like how often they do those system updates. That number just keeps reducing, man. Keeps going down. But yeah, so that returned is, so if they're covering, they'd theoretically be returning those shares. So that's what you'd be looking at. Check Discord. I'll check Discord. Here, I'll go look at it. One sec. You should send me a link. Please send me links. Helps out. Is it this one? Which one is it? Their name. Oh, crap. One sec. Yeah, Citadel Advisors. Yes. I hate that it opens it here. See, you know, will bounce here. Come on, open up. So I'm trying to read this. I don't think this is for, this is, I mean, it filed on the 21st. There's no way. No, that's not them covering, no. What are you asking? What are you asking about this, IDK? Are you asking if that's them covering? I don't believe so, no. I'd have to look more into that. I'd have to look. I don't want to talk about it on stream and then say something wrong and someone get upset or do something irrational based on me saying something. I'll talk about it in Discord. We're hitting VWAP though. I'll talk about it in Discord though. We'll talk about it. I mean, we sit in Discord for hours, so we'll be there. Sorry, I'm not ignoring anyone. What's your price target on AMC? You guys ask the same people ask the same questions. I meant that what if BlackRock and Vanguard are selling? I don't think if they're selling, it would look more like this, in my opinion. More stagnation, right? More of this. We'll have to see what happens though. Uh, 15 strike for June 4th. How long should I hold before cashing? Dude, Michael, guys, when it comes to options, it's totally up to how much you're up, how you're doing. It's your, like, no one can tell you when's the time to get out, like anything like that. You're up a lot, like it's up to you. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I can only tell you when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out. That's all I can do. You know what I mean? I can let you know how it's going, how I see the chart moving, how I see the stock moving, the news I see, how I see it playing out there. But I can't tell you when to get in. I can't tell you when to get out. I can't do it. But like options, like they're totally different than shares. You don't just hold options forever. It's a different game. Shares, I mean, shares. I feel like I have them on Webull. I don't think about them. I just own them. Don't care about them. It's just like they're just sitting there. We hit $1,000, cool. Hit $100,000, cool. Hit $50, cool. Doesn't matter to me. What is it considered liquidating to pay these short losses? I mean, they own tons of money. They own like tons of stocks. They could be liquidating anything. But I doubt they probably have some cash on hand. But I don't think they're covering yet. No, everyone kind of like, you would see a massive move if they were covering, and I don't think you would even see a short squeeze until you saw some sort of gamma squeeze first. Other stocks, crypto. I wouldn't be touching crypto right now. Crypto is scary right now. Like, I mean, if you want, it's big risk, big reward, I guess. The Nasdaq looks really strong as well. I have liked it. Yesterday was weird. The close we had was extremely strange, right? Extremely strange. Okay, pushing back up. It looks like it wants to get a breakout to test that monthly level up there. That's what I'm looking. That would really help out AMC as well. I need my coffee to cool down. It's so hot. What am I cashing out at? I can't, dude. I can't. I don't know. I don't know when I'm cashing out. If it starts rocketing, I'll probably just keep holding. You know what I mean? It's just like, it just depends how we start moving. If we start stagnating and I think I see selling, I'll probably hop out. That price could be anywhere though. You know what I mean? At least in my options. Shares, I don't care. Like I said, like shares are like, it's money that I already invested. Like, I don't need it to live. I don't like it. It's just kind of cool money to have, I guess. Is it possible for us to bounce off of 20 like the last time Informa doubled? Anything is possible. You could theoretically get fake squeezed out there, right? I don't think that's the top though. I don't think $20 is the top. This looks way too healthy. Look at this movement here to here. Look at the difference. Okay. There's such a difference here. Look at this total difference. Here comes a comeback. I hope so. It's because I took the coffee. Also, guys, I appreciate if you like the video. It does help out. I love you all. I try not to do any commercials or ads during during the lives. Just chilling. Know when you're cashing out before you buy. That's really like illogical. I mean, it's logical advice to give, but it's like, you don't know. Like, you can't know when you want to get out on a short squeeze. You know what I mean? Like, unless you're saying $20 is my limit. Well, then that's your point. If you have a price target where you want to get on your stock, $20 theoretically would be your limit if you're setting a target to get out. So that's a really like illogical like reason. Like, you must have just read oh my god. What's that book called? Oh my god, it's going to blow my mind. It's the #1 investor book of like all time. The Intelligent Investor, yeah. Yeah, really bad argument there. So that's like saying, like, when you teach someone how to use a gun and then like be like, have a plan when you need to use the gun. Well, stuff happens. You never really know. Sometimes you just don't know what you're gonna do. It's all about cold brew and iced Americano. I like my coffee black with a shot and a little bit of steamed half and half. Six-figure options gains are the way. Picking up shares for the boys too. What a day, Patrick. God bless, God bless, God bless. I'm happy you're making money. I'm happy. Your options doing well. Options stay blessed, brother. That is boomer talk, bro. We the next gen. Yeah, Wall Street Bets doesn't. They don't use targets. Mikey, I'm happy you like the content. I'm happy you like it. Yeah, I bought 2 coffees actually. They're just so hot. Probably should I start thinking about selling shares? Dude, like I said, so I think people are putting too much money probably into AMC, and their logic is like, I need this money to double, or like I need the money to like not disappear, basically. I think it's a really dangerous mentality with putting your money in some of these stocks, because like you don't know when your top is in, you don't know certain things, like I don't know how it'll affect people. But like my money in AMC, like if I lose it, I lose it. It doesn't affect me. Like I don't need it to live. I have money in my bank account. Like it doesn't affect me. You know what I mean? Like if I make a lot of money, cool. Like I deposit it in, and my bank account would substantially probably increase. But it is what it is. Need to hold VWAP? Yeah, you do. That's been the going trend so far. Holding VWAP has been the key to success. Your DD link in your description doesn't work. The Bazinga, I know I need to update it. Sorry. I haven't been active on YouTube. Well, as active. I've been pretty active, but not as active as usual. On options, I'll be taking profits. Plan is if we hit $40 to take out a probably 70 to 50% of the options contracts straight off the table immediately. I thought you were talking about shares. Shares are totally different. Shares are like, I tell people shares the same thing every time. Like shares, I'm like, I'm holding. I don't care. I'm holding. The shares don't matter. Like to me, they don't matter. Any shares on stock. That's like when PLTR dropped. I didn't care. It didn't affect me. Options on AMC. I'm totally like, that's options or anything. I've been selling those at normal times. So. I want to see if people want to buy in though. I think people are waiting to get in here though. I think there's people that want to get in the market right now. Do you think the new news about PLTR will apply to AMC helping it go up and stay? I don't know. I don't think they're going to coincide together at all now. Tell her buy a diamond girl if you make a giant profit each time. Baby Bob Marley, good to have you. Yeah, they're returning shares. You can see I'm returning some. Another 200. But they're borrowing more. Interesting. Very interesting. That short interest number is going up, though. It's going up. It's like you're losing VWAP. Area I'd be looking for support is going to be a $17 range. To be honest, that's what I'd be looking for. I think 17 is going to be like your support. Like 17, 17.5. It's been pretty big. Can you explain why MVS is so all over the place? It's hedges. It's probably mainly Wall Street bets, I would assume, in retail. So just in and out. Hedge funds too. Like they're probably trading it as well. People looking for another, AMC type play. I think it's just what everyone's doing right now. Everyone's trying to find the next AMC. It is what it is. GameStop getting a bounce. What about gold or silver? Not right now, no. The borrow fee is 7 though. What's the borrow fee at? Should be increasing. Few available shares came back. AMC broke VWAP. Ugh, gross. Don't love that. It is lunch. Well, lunch is ending right now. Shit, no. Wrong. False. Volume still kicking out a little bit. 12 noon, 260. It's slowing down. The volume is substantially slowing down. That's a big thing that I'll be looking for. Looks like a Head and Shoulders. I don't care about Head and Shoulders, to be honest. I know it looks like that, but it's not that big. Do you have a favorite oil stock? XOM. Is it trading like yes? Kind of similar to yesterday. Similar to yesterday. Yeah. Yes. Why the negative attitude? I have no negative attitude. What do you mean? I'm honestly kind of just tired. I've been up nonstop. Like I said, in the Discord, it's it's where I live. Very busy. You think we fill the gap? It's possible. It's possible. I don't think so though. Sec. What we got? You could come down and fill. You could. I think it's unlikely though. How big of a pullback percentage wise? Try to read as I'm going. Hold till they wobble. Don't blame Trey. Yesterday you said 13 calls and around with crazy. Yeah, I ran up really good yesterday. It's bouncing, man. It's bouncing. Just hold that. The view up's man. I don't think it has to hold the V up right now. Don't get me wrong. I don't think it has to do anything like that. I think people are fine though right now. I think there's any point to even stress out about it. Just chill, man. I would just be relaxing, to be honest. There's no reason to stress. I'm kind of stressing out, but why? It looks so good. Looks phenomenal. It looks phenomenal. I will say it is kind of gold that they only say that there's 130 million shares on loan. That's kind of funny. But they say there's not more. Definitely feel like there's a lot more. Don't sell your shares. Guys, shares relax. I don't think anyone's contemplating selling shares. Shares You've only doubled, like, if you're in shares, like, you've only doubled your money. Like, I'm not telling you when to hold or do anything. Like, do whatever you want with your shares, but, like, you've only doubled your money. It's, like, nothing. You know what I mean? Like, it's nothing. It does look awesome. Looks just like yesterday. Yeah, it's like, I wouldn't even be stressed. No, I don't think they're included now. Oh. Man, they put a cream in this. It's like, tastes like dirt. Tastes like I'm drinking coffee grounds. Do you think hedges have enough to pull off a fake squeeze? It's possible. I don't think they do. But I mean, like, everyone's talking about it. I don't think, like I said, I don't think retail's gonna sell. I think retail's just like madmen right now at this point. Is it at 8% now? Did it go up? I would assume it went up if you just said that. Is that on Stonko tracker? 7%? Where'd you see 8% at? I must have a delay. If they wanted to do that, wouldn't FOMO overpower? Most likely, yes. I'm trying to read as we're going. I don't know how long I'm gonna be live. I might be live in the Discord, just chilling, hanging out all day again, similar to yesterday. I don't know what I want to do. Kind of just like relaxing right now. It's a fun day. It's fun. No complaints. No complaints. Also did open the Discord up a little bit more. There's a few more spots. We'll see how many people. I think I'm gonna lock it up on Friday. I don't know. I need to figure out how to lock it so people can't waste their time with those. Because I'm gonna stop refunding that crap. It pisses me off. So annoying. People doing those like $5 payments, I have to refund it back to you. It's annoying. Wasting my time. Tyler, you didn't find my son's gamer channel, MSoup Gamer ID on YouTube. I will later. What do you think in the week at? I would love to see ending the week above 20. If you end the week above 20, guys, you should be jumping, cheering, clapping, praising the Lord. You should be the happiest campers in the world. But that's a good question. I think it's where you live, where your residence is. It's where your residence is, I believe. Put some whiskey in that coffee. I don't think that's gonna wake me up. Clapping cheeks. Clapping cheeks. Yeah, I'll be clapping cheeks. Yeah, so we hit hold above 20. I think we're holding fine right now. I feel good. I feel good. I feel really good. I'll be really happy though once we make all of our money off this. I'll have so much money to trade on like just options. It's gonna be sweet. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Do you still like the Dead Inside? Can you say any other YouTubers, traders you like? I don't think it's fair to say people I like, because then like if it says if I don't mention someone, then people get upset. Like, you know what I mean? Like, and I don't want people to like, oh, he hates so and so, right? For like, what's the context? Why? Like, what do you want to know? Like, if I'm looking like for educational content, like how to trade in the money, like he'll teach you like the option strategies and stuff like that. He's kind of corny, funny. It's like a mixture of dad jokes with like a nerd kind of. He's interesting. It's fun. Dead Inside long term, I like he's had some really cool picks. He's kind of been stagnated for a while and not too much stuff. For day trading though, it's hard. Like it's really difficult because like recently you haven't seen anyone making day trading videos, and like I stopped making mine because I just wasn't getting views. It's like a wait. It's like for me, you know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna spend an hour or an hour and a half making a video or like 30 minutes recording, an hour editing, because I like to make my videos pretty like edited so like it's quick. You can watch them pretty quick. I'm not gonna spend that much time if they're just not gonna like. It's not worth it. I'd rather spend the time in the Discord having fun with, you know, the boys and just like chilling. You know what I mean? Like, I don't necessarily do it for like the money or anything. Like people want to say, well, yeah, of course you do it for the money, Tyler. You wouldn't do it if you weren't. Yeah, I probably wouldn't do as much if I wasn't getting paid, but I don't get paid that substantial from YouTube or anything. You know what I mean? I get paid more from Patreon and stuff. If you want to be honest. and like I think like they deserve to get their money's worth. So I'm gonna just put my time there. But day trading wise, I haven't seen anyone that like I'm too excited to watch about day trading. A lot of them come across scammy, to be honest. Like a lot of them come off across as Belmont Capital, if you're being honest. Like, and I'm not. It's not just a troll on him, but like, it is what it is. That like this is how it comes across. I mean, I called him out, and now he deleted his website. You know what I mean? He deleted his website a day later. He deleted it, bro. He took it down because I called him out on his BS. You know what I mean? And so it's hard. Like, I don't want to like back anyone that I don't like haven't followed or looked at. So for day trading, it's hard to say. And that's not me talking bad about Trey or saying Trey can't day trade or I don't like Trey, but like I haven't followed Trey. I don't know if Trey like, and I don't think Trey's been making too many other videos, but like he's heavily invested in AMC. Why would he make other videos? Do you know what I mean? So Warrior Trading, I don't know who that is. Dead's getting a lot of hate recently because he's a long-term guy and long-term stocks are just hurting right now. Growth stocks are getting shredded. It's a part of the game. You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to have my bad months. March was a terrible month for me. I'm very vocal about it. Before people join the Discord, I'm like, dude, March was a bad month. Like, I'm going to have a bad month eventually. Past 2 months have been killing. I mean, been making tons of money. It definitely carried over from everything else, but, you know, like, it's going to happen. I try to keep it as real as possible when it comes to trading. People need to understand you're going to win, you're going to lose. But yeah, so for day trading, it's hard. And, like, people want me to rate myself and this and that. Like, just talk in the chat. Like, ask people, like, what's their experience from Discord. Like, if you're contemplating, you're like, man, I don't know if I can spend $15 on trading. Like, then don't join. Like, honestly, I'm not being mean, but like, $15 is like nothing. Like, honestly, like you make that back in in like 30 minutes of a trade, to be honest. So AMC looking good. Like, you should make it off of AMC. Like you should have already made it off of AMC options. Oh no, Rocky. No. I understand. Like, he's getting a lot of hate, but I'm telling you why he's getting the hate. It's because his category of stocks are just getting shredded. And like, you couldn't pick a good one right now. Options millionaire, day trade, SPY options only. Yeah, I know, right? Crazy. Lou said he has you can have an option worth that much, and I had to like. Transparency for me is pretty much like all I have going for me because I'm kind of a tool bag. But you know, when you come to the channel, I'm probably not lying, right? I post all my crap. So I see no point in why you can't show your option play. I think it's actually more risky for yourself financially, like coming out and saying or giving financial advice if you're not showing your position. Because if you show your position, you're like, I'm just trading the stock. This is what I'm doing. This is my opinion. This is why I'm doing it. Do your own DD, but this is what I'm doing. This is what I got into. I think when you show that, it shows that you're not giving financial advice. You're just showing people what you're doing. You're not falsifying information. You're not lying. So I see no reason why people won't show their positions. I think that that's weird. Personally, like, that's why as of lately, I've had nothing but nice things to say about Matt Kors. The dude's showing all of his options. Trey, I've never had anything bad to say about him because even if I disagree, like, I'm going to disagree with people. You should disagree with people. Disagreeing is healthy. But Trey posts every single trade, bro. Like, he has like $90,000 on AMC, which is up pretty fat now. But like, you know what I mean? Like, so I see no reason why people would hide their positions. That doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, lots of people making AMC videos don't have an AMC share. So they have like probably 20, so. Yeah, there's like a super moon or something going on tonight, I think, yeah. But yeah, so I don't know. It's not me bad talking him by any means. It's not what I'm doing. I'm just saying that I see no reason why people would hide their positions. It doesn't make sense to me. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. That's like if I went to the gym and I was like, hey, I can bench press 300 pounds. And you're like, can I see? And I'm like, I can't show you. You know what I mean? Like, you'd be like, why? You know? So I don't get it. The same thing happened yesterday. I might hop off. If I hop off, maybe the stock will start flying again. And it happened the same thing yesterday. Only AMC if you're worth the follower Matt Trey, Matt, and maybe Jackson. I kind of get off on the bad foot with Jackson, so he probably doesn't like me anymore. But yeah. But I have no filter. That's my thing too. Like if I disagree with you, I'll just say it. Like, you know what I mean? I'll just like so, which is kind of a bad quality. I was hesitant to join Patreon. Oh, bruh. I think your name is Billy or something in the bruh or Billia. I think. I only know because your picture. Do you think the government will intervene sometime during the squeeze? No. Nope. I don't. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna hop off. I'll be in the Discord on and off. I'll probably be just talking, chilling in there, but I'm gonna be just chilling. Tyler, I think I had a good site for picking those 40 June 18th calls, 80 strong dime hands. Good job. I'd be holding them probably. My portfolio is embarrassing to show. All of ours are. You're an impulsive person. Who, me? Are you talking about me? Kind of, maybe, a little bit. It's an amazing quality, people. Yeah, I'm impulsive. Like if I think something, I'll just say it. You know what I mean? Like I don't really care about the repercussions. Yeah. Thanks for the shout. But blunt is a good quality. It can be good, it can be bad. But yeah, I'll be in the Discord. There's a few spots I opened up. I opened up a few, but I'm gonna probably close it Sunday night. And then the hoodies will be available too for the Discord members. They'll be at cost. I'm not making money on merch. That's stupid. Why would I want to make money on a T-shirt? I would make that much money in a day, so it doesn't make sense. What are your thoughts on Lou? I don't know anything about him. It can get you in trouble. I'm surprised it hasn't got me in trouble. It's because you got big muscles. You can beat someone up. Right? Oh, look, we're getting a push. Maybe, dude, I'm telling you, AMC heard me say I'm getting off. Should we stay a little longer? Stay a little longer or get off? What do you think? Stay a little longer or get off? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Hey, look at us. Who'd have thought? Look at us. Come on, baby. I'm about to go ham at the blackjack table again too today. I'm feeling good. Today. Don't jinx. Stay. Someone say. Someone say get off. You're saying get off? Okay, I'll get off. I'll be in the Discord, boys. Look at us. Who'd have thought? Big sell wall 19 there. Sell walls don't exist. They're fake. Stay, you're already here. I'm a poker player. Yeah, I play a lot in the Discord. People are probably like, dude, I listen to option advice from this guy. I'm like, it's not financial advice though. So yeah. It was a fake wall, baby. It was a fake wall, man. Everyone is doing AMC stream. I kind of do. I feel like I've been doing, well, mine necessarily aren't always about AMC. I try to do like every stock, but like right now, obviously I'm not trading anything. We had some gap yesterday. I closed mine really early today. So you guys want to know, like, if you want to know like what the Discord is like at all, just so you know, it's like well, first of all, it's us talking 24/7. It's probably one of the most active Discords that there is. There's people always in the chat room, stuff like that. But these are my personal trades and this is how I'd enter. So yesterday, God, they were juicy. The gap ones. That hurt. I don't think 100K per share now. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm going to get off. We're below 19. We can't push. I'll be in the Discord. We'll be talking in there. Okay. Also, if you made any, like, okay, I don't want to say, like, I made you money or anything like that. But if you If you've been following me for a while, you've been trading AMC, you've made any profits on options, please get in the disc. Well, here, I'll send the free Discord link also. Here's the free Discord link. Okay. I want to see the options. We're going to make a... Oh, no. That's the wrong link. That's Citadel. That's Citadel's. What's it called? Join the Discord. That's a free Discord link. We want to see the options gains. We're going to have a great video. It's going to be a pretty funny video as well. But we want to see. Okay, boys? I'm on vacation for work. You remind me so much of my manager. It feels like I'm at work. Is your manager really charming and attractive and have great biceps and a lovable personality? You must love work. Look, dude, I'm telling you, every time I'm saying it to get off, it pushes up. Guys, I have to get off. Honestly, every streamer should be getting off because whenever I stop talking, this thing starts moving. All right, so I'm going to hop off and be in the Discord. It's the personality. Have a good one, boys.